Today with us have Anubhav Raj. He is going to show us how to install Zotero software, and by using that software, how we can reference, how we can easily format the reference. And one advantage of this Zotero software, it is a free of cost. So over to Anubhav. So he will show us how we can download the software first, and next part he will show that how using that software, how we can reference any literature. So Anubhav, over to you.
Yes, sir. Thank you, Subir, sir. Actually, recently I have known how to use Zotero software, and in
Yes,
this
yes.
video, I'm going to show you how to download Zotero software and how to use it.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you can see that in Google it is freely available. So download
Yeah, it is
Zotero
freely available. Yeah, this is download Zotero. Click on the first link.
very easily.
Yeah. For the
So
Zotero 6 for Windows. Using this, we can download Zotero for the Windows, and for the Mac OS, Linux, and the Linux 64-bit, we can use the below links.
yes, yes.
Yeah.
So for
Now,
whichever Windows, that Windows 10, 11, whatever, that we can just click on
yeah, yes, sir. Now I'll just download for
book
Windows.
or Linux, use that below. Okay, okay, good, very good.
Yes, sir. Now I'll just download it.
So download it. It is downloading.
You can see below in the taskbar that it has started to download.
Yeah, it is now completely
Yeah,
downloaded.
now it's downloaded. Now click on the Zotero setup file.
Yeah, you have to install.
Click done.
Yeah.
Now the extraction process is going on.
Yes. So it's a zip file, Zotero
Yeah,
zip.
yeah,
It is.
yes, sir. Now you will get a pop-up like this,
Mhm.
using which you can click on yes and further move.
Okay.
And
So
you
now
will get a
I have.
wizard setup box.
Uh-huh.
Click on next, and either
Then
you can choose
standard.
standard or custom. Usually standard
I
is
think
preferred.
yes, yes.
Yeah. Click on next, and where we have to save the file, we have to give the path name, and click on install. As I have already installed it, it is showing
So
as
that's why it
upgrade.
is showing upgraded, but you can install
Yeah,
that things.
click
So
on
just
install
you
use
leave it here, so it
install.
will be installed.
Yeah,
Okay, okay, fine. No need to answer, just cancel it. And now you saw using the Zotero software, how you have referencing
yes.
your research article.
You can see the
Yes, yes.
screen. Yeah.
Yeah, you open one
Now
research
just I'll go
article.
to Zotero software. Yeah,
Mhm.
this is the Zotero software.
Mhm. It was installed. So by
Yeah,
clicking, it will be open, and there are different
yes,
tasks bar to show that one.
yeah,
And the advantage of this software, you don't have to download anything. It will automatically
yes, sir.
download your reference section from the DOI link.
Yeah. So it may be useful for us to click on the references and paste it easily.
Yes, very good.
And I'll show you how to collect the reference.
Yeah, first part.
Now, if we need a reference for this text, now just we need to copy the text using Ctrl C button and go to Google.
And go to Google Scholar.
Yeah, we have to go to Google Scholar and paste the word. Yeah, sure, sir. Yeah,
Yeah, so you can paste it here
yes.
and search.
Click on the search button,
Yeah,
and we used to get many references like this. And using this, we
relevant
have to
reference.
select a
So you
proper
have to
paper.
choose very good paper. Yes, yes.
Yes, sir.
So as a overview of renewable energy, second paper is from LCBR. So you can
Yeah,
cite that paper. So just click on that paper and get the
yes,
DOI
just click
link
on.
of that paper.
Yeah, just I'm clicking on the paper thing.
Video description box we'll write the we'll give the link so they can download
Yeah.
from there.
So here I think that blue color line is the DOI number. So you can copy that one.
Yeah,
Anubhav,
we can just
just
copy.
copy the DOI
Yeah,
number.
and just copy it.
So
Control C is used to copy and open
huh,
on the Zotero software.
yes.
Now click on the next icon, which is a small plus. I think you can see.
Add items by
Yeah,
identify.
add items. Yeah, you can just paste on the DOI number here and click enter.
So by clicking that item, it will open a window, pop-up window, but you have to paste the
Yeah,
DOI number. Yeah, it is taking
DOI
a little
number.
bit time.
Yeah, now we are downloaded. Yeah,
So it was
now the
downloaded, that
highlighting and overview
highlight
of
portion.
renewable energy. Yeah,
Yeah, you have to select that one, and just blue line,
uh,
if it is there, then it is indicating that this reference was selected, and you have to
yes,
note
sir.
down the also name. Ki
Yeah,
MBU, MBU.
MPUNGU, the name of the author.
Okay, okay. So now
We
go
have
to
to
again
go
Word file.
Word file and click on the cursor and go to Zotero. Once you install Zotero, there will be a Zotero option available on your Word file.
On the right
Click
corner,
on,
then
yeah, click on Add or Edit Citation. It will ask to which format you need to convert.
so we
Now, as
can
I
choose
need
the
ACS format, I'm choosing on the ACS format and clicking OK.
you can add different reference from there also.
Yeah, there are around 10,000 different types of formats which are available for this.
Yeah. So now you have to put the scientist name to identify the
Yeah, we
paper.
can either put the scientist name or we can use the name of the article to copy it.
Yes, yes.
The name of the scientist was Bungu.
Mm.
Bungu. Now we got
Mm.
it. Click this and click enter. Now we got
So it is
S1, reference number 1. We can go to the end of the article, and here by clicking on add or edit bibliography, the reference will get pasted. Yeah, now it's done.
So it is now in ACS format. We'll get. So you can add more,
converted.
2-3 more. You can add little
Yeah,
bit.
sir. Yeah, sure.
You don't have to download. Just you from that reference means you have already Zotero library. From there you select and you can add the reference also.
Yeah,
So
sure.
you have to first. So from Zotero library, you select that one. Any other that whatever the relevant. So like 2D, you select another one.
Okay. Yes. Now I'm selecting this one, 2D Poland organic framework. Now go to the word file.
You have to know the name also.
Yeah.
And again go to the second reference.
Yeah. The second reference is here. Click on add or edit citation and type 2D. As I have downloaded many articles, it is showing many. We need 2D Poland organic framework electrode for supercapacitors. Just click on this and click enter. Now,
so like that
it
way
has been completed. Yeah.
Okay. So you can very easily you can complete it the reference section.
So now again just try to put the first one, that whether cross referencing is automatically coming or not, that also we will show it.
Now you write down again 2D covalent organic framework.
Yeah.
2D
Poland organic
framework. Yeah, same one you want to again refer.
Yeah.
Just click on.
Okay. Just click on and click enter.
And enter.
Yeah, now we have got again 2. Because already
again
as we
the
have
2.
used it.
So cross reference is also possible. So same thing, here we are doing the cross reference. So cross referencing also possible.
So thank you very much, Anubhav Raj. So really it will be very helpful for all the researchers. And also all those who are doing MSc project or PhD, those who are doing PhD or postdoc. So those who are writing book chapters or books or manuscripts or thesis or any project report. So for them, this will be really helpful, because a large number of reference, when they will try to do manually, it takes a lot, it consume lot of time. At the same time, if they will go for any softwares, many softwares are paid versions, but this is free of cost. We will also give the link in the description box. For them it will be very helpful. And so from our channel, so we would like to give a token of appreciation. This that you presented here, that how like we can able to download the software, then how we can able to install the software, and then how we can use the Zotero software for referencing purpose. So thank you very much, Anubhav Raj.
Yeah, sir. Thanks for giving me this opportunity to post this on your YouTube channel. I would look forward for the upcoming videos, sir.
Okay. And please share also with your friends, whoever the needed, whoever writing MSc thesis and other things. Thank you, Anubhav.
Sure.
Thank you.
So and yes, and also subscribe our channel, so that like it will motivate us to make more videos for the researchers, and also those who are searching jobs. For them also it will be very useful.
Yeah, definitely.
Okay, thank you very much.
Yeah, okay, sir.
Okay, so we are ending here the talk.